It's May here in WA and winter is right around the corner. While we don't feel the cold as much as other parts of Australia, your garden will start to be slowing down. That doesn't mean you should be though. There's still plenty of things for you to do to keep your garden fighting fit. Here are a few tips of what you can do in your garden this May. While it's a fair bit cooler outside, why not bring your garden inside and add a bit of vibrant colour to your living room with a Phalaenopsis orchid. Position these orchids in a warm spot out of direct sunlight and the flowers will last for months. The brilliant thing about these orchids is there's so many different colour variations for you to choose from. With Mother's Day around the corner, they would make the perfect gift. And don't forget about outside, there is a huge range of potted colour to put in your garden this month. These include chrysanthemums, cyclamens, and my favourite, the pansies and violas. These guys flower prolifically and will give you months of colour. Why not grow some edibles by starting your own herb garden? Some varieties that you could plant at this time of the year include parsley, oregano, and coriander. They prefer a nice sunny position. Or what about starting your own veggie patch? Broad beans, broccoli, and spinach are good options this time of the year, but there are also heaps more for you to choose from. If you need any advice of what to plant in your garden this month, pop into store and you can get all the help you need. Don't forget about our perfect plant promise. All our plants except for seedlings are guaranteed for the first 12 months. If you're not 100% happy with your purchase, return your plant with receipt and we can give you a full refund. If you're already growing your veggies at home, there should be plenty for you to harvest at this time of the year. Things like your mizuna and lettuce varieties will be ready to pick. And don't forget the rhubarb. I'm going to turn this one into a lovely apple and rhubarb pie. If you're thinking about planting roses, now is the time to prepare the soil. Choose a nice, well-lit position that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Improve tied soil by adding manures and compost. This will give your roses the best chance to flourish during spring. Let it settle for a month before planting your roses. This is a perfect opportunity to tidy up your garden beds as well. Remove any dead branches and deadhead any flowering perennials. So get out there into your garden this May. A bit of gardening is good exercise for you and great for the garden. Come and have a chat to our garden experts at your local Bunnings and have a look at all the amazing plants that you could have in your garden. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go to our website.